Hakamiat jong hanyo tarik urampang haka Jingïalang banialap election kalami ka Jingïakulmar Hapdeng ki Nongkyrshan ka Trinamool Congress but ka National People's Party haka shnong ka badan hapo Phulbari constituency haka bakhandai ngut ki brio ki Mynsaw kat kum ka kai phat no district election officer ka West Garo Hills kania ka jingja kala ja haka posh phau sau pesan AA minmiat haka shnong char bata para haka ba kalami ka Jingïakulmar Hapdeng ki Nongkyrshan ka TMC bat ka NPP haka ni ka jingja lay don rekat UMLA ka Phulbari na TMC USG Esmatur Mominen ringkat kiwei kinong yalam ka seng kabakentup ya umuni mondol bat ubhutu bat nakaliang ka NPP lay don ringkat UMDC GHADC u Habibur zaman ringkat kinong Nongkyrshan jong u kakenhun pulet na Phulbari police station kilaya poi haka ni ka jaka bat kilala bantam ya ka Jingïakulmar haka ni ka jingja khandai ngut ki brio ki Mynsaw bat la penkit yaki sha Phulbari CHC bat la pelat no yaki hadian baladap examen yaki Henry uway ni ki Mynsaw la pha ban le examen shu namar ka Mynsaw ki benta jogi khman haka FIR bala ai da u natural Hussein na char bata para balangit ba uday u Nongkyrshan ka TMC ula keno baka jingyat pat ba balayalam da u Habibur zaman ka NPP kila sangye hajan ka yeng jong u bat kila kawang mau ya ka yeng jong u haka ba saw ngut ki brio kila Mynsaw shushu ulayat hu baka waypat ka daw jong ka Jingïakulmar ka day hadian ba u MDC u Habibur zaman ringkat bat ki Nongkyrshan jong u kidang yat ring ba ka shnong kila syak kawang mau haki beriu ki bala supa bagi day ki Nongkyrshan ka TMC haka ba ka way ka kali Scorpio kala julor bat kalami ka Jingïakulmar kat kum ka jingyathu ki buar baday pen lala bante lakam ya kaniya ka jingja bat ka jingtok ket ya kaniya karang yach khaman
asadur or naga disa asadur asadur doga गजे दी बड़ा से यल्ला ঘরত থাকি আসি ডাঙে থুয়ে যায় আচরিত কথা
Today by this evening at about 8:30 to 9 p.m. a social feast was organized by a relative of mine at village Charpatapara and Phulbari constituency, whereby my uncle invited the villagers and his relatives, and where I was also invited. I reached his house by around 9:30. As soon as I reached there, one procession was led by MDC Shamnagar 19 Shamnagar constituency, and all on a sudden, the procession was stopped in front of my uncle's house, and the people from the procession, they started pelting stones, bricks randomly, whereby at least 4 to 5 people were injured. After that, these injured people were taken to Phulbari CSC for necessary treatment. This is really very shocking that without any permission, this procession was led, and this unfortunate incident has happened. I request all my supporters to please keep patience, to please bear with the situation, to please not to make any sort of quarrelings. Allah, I request my supporters to please work for the betterment of our constituency, for the betterment of our society. Thank you.
Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela Rilum jungi mentala dei kapor ka jingkela kisur ngin pensawa lawan kapor ka jingkela